Hi, we're building Playback Network, a decentralized large action model. A large action model is a AI model that can convert human objectives into actions. It's essentially like giving ChatGPT hands. The problem is there's no training data to train a model. You need recordings of people working. There's a big privacy problem there, so we've built a solution to this that uses a zero knowledge approach to censor and redact data before it gets run through a model that scores it and figures out whether it's relevant and quality data. And we'd love to show it to you. So I'll kick it over to Fabian.
Yes, hello guys. Let me take you through the deck. Can you all see that?
Yeah.
Yes, perfect. Okay, so this is a list of over 30,000 different tasks that people can basically submit their video recordings to in order for us to train the model. I'll take you through submitting one of the videos for this. We're going to submit to this task to find playback net on X and repost the latest post. Therefore, we're going to go to Playback. I'm going to open my recording application here. I'm going to record the screen. I've already navigated to Playback Network. I'll do that again just to demonstrate to the model what the step would be. And then I'm going to repost the latest post. I'm also going to like it. And then I'll stop the recording here. So now we go over here, open our recordings. We just drag and drop it in. And now it's going to process the video and the video frames. And it's going to redact all the private information on the client side. This is a screenshot of what would come out of the model. You can see up here, my inbox has my name. Down here is redacted. That is through all of the frames of the video. And now I'll pass it on to Alex for the video segmentation.
Sure. So here it is, but he's having connectivity problems. Essentially, we take that redacted set of frames that gets processed client side by Fabian's code, and we run it through a segmentation model that enriches it to enable ChatGPT to understand what's happening in the video and then check whether it aligns the task that they're submitting data for, i.e., do the frames indicate a person going to Twitter and retweeting that tweet? And then if it's an irrelevant video, it gets rejected. Otherwise, it calculates a number of tokens to reward them. But the segmentation is just really translating the redacted screenshots into a sort of semantic UI, and that's all running on Co-op Hive, which was a big struggle, but we got it working. Maybe Hector or Phil can step in and take us through the back end and some of the Galadriel stuff quickly.
Yeah, okay, so this is the back-end architecture. Following on from what Alex said, we have the segmented redacted data in S3. We have a lambda here called the Galadriel lambda, and it takes that the S3 image URLs and it packages them up into a transaction and sends them to our custom smart contract on Galadriel. We send along with that a custom system prompt, which tells OpenAI ChatGPT vision model to value the images that it receives. And we have an EC2 server running, which is listening for events emitted on Galadriel. Once the oracle has responded and the event is emitted, our EC2 instance extracts the valuation, the user wallet address, and various other data points, and it saves the segmented redacted image data to Lighthouse on Filecoin, and then it sends the valuation and the recipient address to the data payload manager, which takes that data and converts it into a signed message. That prevents manipulation of the data within that payload. The payload is sent to the front end, and the front end converts it into a transaction and sends it to our token contract on Filecoin. The token contract validates the signature. If it's valid, it then sends it to the minter, which mints the tokens into the user's wallet for the reward.
So huge thank you to all the mentors and judges and sponsors, especially Yang and Levi and Ali, and everyone was really helpful. We can't wait to get this shipped to production and launch ASAP. So thank you.